So this is how I make 11,000 pounds, or when you convert this into dollars, $15,000 every single month. And these are all of my monthly recurring revenue clients. And as you can see, I'm actually showing you all of my client details except their name and email. Unlike other gurus on YouTube, they just show the fake Stripe screenshots. That's not me. And this is all the clients I have. This is the website hosting clients I have. And they vary anywhere from 35, 97, 297, and 197. As you can see, that's 197, 297, and that's 97. And I have reputation management for 497 each. And they are paying me in a monthly recurring revenue basis. And I have 72 clients with this MRR. And as you can see, the last client I got was 3rd of October 2025. And today is 3rd of January. I didn't get any clients for the last 3 months, but I'm still making $15,000 every single month. And I'm just letting you know that I'm not smart and I don't come from a rich family. Just a couple of years ago, I was cleaning toilets in the UK and I was mopping floors and I was doing graveyard shifts like 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning in a bread factory. If a guy like me who in this point, I couldn't even speak in English. So if I can sign clients and if I can make $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue, so can you. So let's get straight to the point. How I make $15,723 a month selling AI websites. So you can just copy me. As you can see, 11,638 pounds. When you convert that into dollars, that's $15,723. So let's see how it's done. So there are two different ways you can have your business. One is a monthly recurring revenue way, where the monthly recurring revenue is lower, but you can stack more clients to make more money. And the second way is to do SMMA, custom websites, or freelancing, as you can see over here. This is a traditional way. This is, most of you guys would have seen videos on YouTube targeting these traditional business model, SMMA, like Iman Gadzi, the custom website, freelancer. So in this case, you will make a lot of money even with one client. As you can see, it varies anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000. So if you want to make $15,000, you just have to get 3 clients. But you should also worry about the churns and the client outreach. You're going to build them a website for $2,000 to $5,000. That's it. You have to go find another clients again and again. And you never know if you're going to get clients the next month. You never know if you're going to have money for the next month's rent or pay for the food and stuff. And by the next month, you have to do all these things over and over again. So that's going to be a huge stress, and everything is churning out. So you are looking for fresh new clients every single time, every single month. And most of the time you would be struggling with outreach rather than fulfilling the service or closing the clients. But on the other hand, when you see this business model, which is the monthly recurring revenue business model, this is the best business model, because this is what I usually thought about when I was growing older. I need financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. Yes, you can have those things with the traditional method as well, but you won't be free. You always need to chase the clients. But with monthly recurring revenue, you sign a client. Let's say you sign 2 clients for $497. That's $1,000 a month. And you just have to keep stacking those clients. The clients you got last month, they are not going to leave you. And the clients you got this month, it's just going to add up. So last month you got 2 497s, and this month you got 2 497. That's $2,000 in a monthly recurring revenue. And if, as you saw my Stripe account, I didn't get any clients for 3 months. It's not just because I was lazy. I had to figure out how am I going to outreach my Australian clients. Yes, I've been working on it. So I'm going to start doing it from next week, and I'm going to start making videos on that topic as well. So I'm going to have a challenge video where I'm going to make $1,000 in monthly recurring revenue with a new strategy in a new country. So it's going to be really helpful for you. If you guys want to watch it, make sure to subscribe. This entire process we will be handling inside GoHighLevel. Yes, this is the software which I use to build a website. Yes, AI website, AI receptionist, calendar booking, AI reviews, invoices, conversation bot, and much more. GoHighLevel has lots and lots of features, but for our business sake, we are just going to use website. This is the entry level offer. This is what we sell up first for free. Yes, we sell it for free, and we are not going to build anything from scratch. It's just going to take 5 to 10 minutes creating a logo on Canva. That's just going to take less than two minutes, and you have to change the description, images, and connect the domain name. That's it. That's just going to take anywhere from 5 to 10 or maximum 15 minutes. So this is the GoHighLevel software I was talking about. As you can see, it doesn't say GoHighLevel on the top because it's a white label software, and it's my own business logo, GSR Media, and it's my own domain name on the top. So whenever you get clients, you can actually say them that it's my own software and you're going to get everything from my own end. And this is what we usually do. We outreach the client, and if you want to check out how I outreach my clients, I'll leave some videos in the description. So when you go on the sites, click on websites, new website, from template. Bam! As you can see, you have literally lots and lots of websites on all different niches. For example, let's say you are targeting plumbing clients. Just search plumbing on the top. And there you go. Preview this website. And I'm pretty sure you can actually charge anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 for this website, because this website has everything. It's built really well, and the animations is really good. The structure is really good. Yeah, as you can see, all the things the plumbing website needs, it's inside this website. Now, the only thing you need to do is go inside and change these images, change the logo, change the contact details and the description. That's it. That's all you need to do. And after that, you connect the domain name and collect the payments. And these clients will pay you every single month. That's the best business model, at least for me. This is what I think. And this is my personal philosophy on life and business, is that you can't put a price tag on freedom. It doesn't make any sense if you're making millions of dollars or millions of pounds, and if you have to ask permission to another guy if you want to take a piss, or if you want to take a break, or if you want to go for a lunch. That's not how life's supposed to be, and I don't want to live that life anymore. I used to live like that. I used to clean toilets, mop floors, no question asked, but not anymore. I'm making this monthly recurring revenue where I can work from anywhere. I'm right now traveling the world. And the best thing about GoHighLevel is it comes with a gray label software, which you can also upsell to your clients. And after selling them a website, you can sell them all their AI receptionist, calendar booking, conversation board, invoices, AI reviews, and everything is pulled inside this app. So they don't have to bring their laptop or PC with them. And every reviews, every DM, and every booked call, and every service booked on their calendar, it's going to show up inside their phone. And the main reason all of my clients are sticking with, yeah, you may lose one or two here or there, but the main reason all of my clients are sticking with me until now is because I have this app. And when your clients start using the software every single day, it doesn't make any sense to leave the software, which everything is convenient. You can just go inside and take care of everything. And you have to keep it in mind that they are not paying for the software itself or the website itself. They're paying for the convenience that they have everything in one place, and you're saving them a lot of time and money. So they will be more than happy enough to pay you the 97, 297, 197 or 497 every single month, and they will be sticking for a long term. And that's how I have this client, and this is one of my older clients who are paying me 297 every single month, and they started paying me on August 30th, 2024. And the last payment I got was 3 days ago, December 30th. So as you can see, I have proof in front of you that this business model actually works. And I know that service delivery part of the business, it's a bit easier. It's tricky when it comes to actually signing clients. And my simple system, I have put it inside my school community. And inside my community, I mostly concentrate on how to get clients. And it doesn't matter how good your product or service is. If you can't get clients, you won't make money with it. I'm pretty sure most of you guys who are watching this video are way better in web design than me. It doesn't matter if you can make better websites if you are not making money with it. And I'm not a pretty good web designer, but I'm good at getting clients. That's the main reason I'm making 15,000. You're not. I'm just joking. So if you want to make use of GoHighLevel and start making your monthly recurring revenue, and if you want my help to start signing more clients with the help of my community and my coaching, you can use the link in my description where you can get access to the software and my coaching. So it's my affiliate link. I do get a small kickback when you use my link. And at the same time, I will help you with the free community and free coaching and the access to a community of like-minded people where you can push each other and sign more clients. And in this business model, it's not just about the monthly recurring revenue with all these features which we sell to our clients with the help of GoHighLevel. It's not just that. We can also upsell them. Usually what I do is I pitch them a free website, and when they come into the meeting, I upsell them with a 5-page website for $1,000 to $2,000 or pounds. You can do that, or you can also have high-paying services like paid ads, SEO, social media. So the main reason we have this underneath the monthly recurring revenue is that they will have more trust for us because we are providing them with more values, with giving free website, and they would have seen lots of values from this service. It's not just that they're paying for the website. The hosting fees you saw on my Stripe, it's not just for the website, it's the service we are delivering with GoHighLevel and the help they are actually getting with the service. If they're not getting any benefits, there's no point of them to sticking with me. So after seeing all the results and all the trust we have built with these clients, we can sell them paid ads, SEO, social media posting. I used to do SEO and social media posting because I'm not good at paid ads and I don't want to dabble with my clients' money and lose it. The reason why I stopped doing it because you do have to sit down and deliver the service with SEO and social media. Yes, it makes a lot of money, but it doesn't make sense for me to waste more time for more money where I don't really need that much money in Bali. I'm barely spending $2,000 to $3,000 a month. So it doesn't make any sense for me. But for you, if you are really happy with SEO and if you enjoy doing social media posting or enjoy doing paid ads, you can do so. Instead of doing this way, you are just going straight forward and charging them $2,000 to $5,000 and losing all the clients next month. You can sell a free website, charge them a $97 to $497 for a monthly recurring revenue, and make use of my help to get clients if you use my link, and service delivery with the software as a service, upselling them with the mobile app. And then you can go and upsell them with, again, paid ads, SEO, and social media. The main reason I'm asking you to go with this strategy, because let's say you're making $15,000 just like me with the traditional model, and you have 3 clients who are paying you $5,000 each. And let's imagine one of the clients decided to walk out. That's a huge portion, like 1/3 of your revenue is poof, gone. And let's say another client's gone. You lost 10,000, gone. It's not going to come back. And if you want to get clients, you have to do all the outreach and all the things you did for these clients. And I'm pretty sure losing a $2,000 to $5,000 a month client is way easier than losing a $97 to $497, because $97 is like a chump change for businesses, and $2,000 to $5,000. Businesses don't have this much money to spend for their business, and on top of it, they do have to spend more on ad spend if you went with SMMA. And let's say if I lost 2 to 3 clients. As you can see, it's not just for 15,000, it's 15,723 USD. Let's say if I lost 5 clients who are paying me 97, I'll be still making 15,000. And let's say if I lost 7 clients who are paying me 97, I will be still making $15,000. That's the thing. And if a guy like me who was few years ago couldn't speak in English, cleaning toilets, mopping floors, and eating leftover food from restaurant because I was too broke to afford food, if I can sign this much clients and if I can make this much money with this business model, and if I can move from one country to another country to enjoy my life, you can do it as well. And if you are a guy who is first language is English, there's no reason for you to not to do this business model and start making more money and move to another country and live your best life. As you know, West is fallen, and if you don't make online money and if you don't have a backup plan, I'm sorry to say, you are done, bro. You're cooked. So start doing this as soon as possible. Move to a safer place, move to a cheaper place like Bali, where the weather is nice, people are nice, no illegal immigrants, it's way cheaper, like you're not going to get stabbed or mugged on the street. So this is what I'm going to say, and I'm not going to talk too much on this video. And again, if you want to make use of GoHighLevel, I do have a free trial. Link is in the description. When you use this link, you do get free access to my school community and along with my free coaching. So I will see you guys in the next video.